Hey everyone, Matt Carver here. Today I'm going to show you my unboxing of my latest order from Bear Woods. And I'm really excited about this one because it is all of my Kutzall Burrs. So let's get you here so you can see, and we'll open this box and let you in. So here we go. I initially opened it just to make sure it was mine, but it didn't really do any perusing. So now we have the box well wrapped, fantastic. Got our order here, awesome. 21 burrs and a swag kit. So first of all, we have this swag kit, bottle, pencil, tape measure. That's going to come in really handy. Very nice. Bottle opener, sweet, very nice. And this. Woohoo! All right, let's open these and see what we've got here. I'll show you each one of these up close. Oh gosh, this is so cool. Oh my. I've been waiting for these. Prices at Bear Woods is just phenomenal for these burrs. Fantastic. All right. 21 of these. This is going to make so much hard work super easy. All right. All right. There we go. Each one of these is worth its weight in gold. All right. So you can see here that we have here very cool looking bits. These guys will just rip off material better than any other burr there is. So we have a lot of these. Now the black ones, which I have a lot of, actually I bought every one they had, so in 1/8, so that it can fit into the Marathon micro motor. This is a super cool tool that basically allows you to take out bits that are about 1/8 of an inch. It also has a sleeve that allows you to put in slightly smaller ones and allows you to just pull it out, put another one in, and get right back to work. All of these burrs fit in that machine. Okay, so now you can see here that I have them separated in 3 different categories. The top one, the middle one, and the bottom one. And the top one is the finest that they create, meaning that it's the coarseness of it, the fine grit. And this is like a medium grit, and this is a super extreme grip. So let me show you the extreme one first. This thing is very, this guy has some super deep grooves in here with very strong pointy burrs on it. So it's super extreme. And this one is like a cylinder with a square top. And here's like a flame one. Gives you some super grip on that too. Bite into the wood and rip out a lot. Got to be careful with it. Don't let it get away from you. But this is very helpful in this shape. Fantastic. And here's a ball one. Looks pretty big. This will be very convenient for a lot of areas where you need to remove in a contour, a rounded contour, ball shape. It's very nice, super helpful, very nice. Next one we have is a cylinder with a ball nose on top. Fantastic as well. Again, black ones are all super grit. Very nice. I can't wait to use these. This one too. This is a very long one, kind of like a flame top. Comes to a point, very long. That's going to be useful. I'll use this in tomorrow's stream. Here's another long one. Has ball nose on the top. Nice grip. Again, all the black ones. Super extreme grit. And lastly, we have this taper one, or pardon me, a cone. And it's black as well and super grit. Very nice. All right, let's go to the middle group. Okay, so of the Kutzall bits that bearwood.com sells, this is the middle section, which is the grit that's in the middle. So super coarse, they call this one coarse. And then we have the fine grit, which is really just as fine as it comes for Kutzall. Okay, let's check out this middle group here, which is the original coarse for the Kutzall Burrs. So here it is. We have here, just like we had with the super coarse one, this one is medium coarse. It's silver or gray ball. It's very nice. I cannot wait to use these. Here we have another one. It's a cone shape, same coarse, same color. Useful. Ball nose cone. Fantastic. Super cool stuff here. Awesome. Here's a flame. Also fantastic. Again, I have 21 of these. This is everything that Bearwood carries for the 1/8 inch shank, and it fits in the Marathon micromotor. There's a taper. This will be super useful. Cannot wait to get that on the wood. Fantastic. Another super long one. These are so convenient. They just take off material in swaths. Magnificent. All right. And here's a smaller ball, which is super convenient because now you have the choice of going from the larger one to the smaller one. And the larger one is here. You can see the difference. Two of these together. Sorry. Awesome. And then we have lastly another cone shaped that tapers to more of a point. Awesome. So now finally let's look at the finest that they have. And I bought 5 of those, all they had. And some of these shapes you've already seen, but you can tell that they go from super coarse to fine. Here's a taper. And all of the fine ones are gold in color. Here's a flame. Cylinder. And finally, a ball. Now that we've gone through each of the 3 grits that Kutzall makes, the original fine, the original coarse, and the extreme very coarse. Let's go ahead and try them out on the micromotor and a current project.